Hello everyone, Rafael is here. This tutorial I am sharing with you the top 10 subscribe animation button. You can use this animation button on your YouTube video. Of course, it's totally free. All animation project file in my video description box, so please check out. Now we can see how we can change the channel name, channel logo, color, etc. Before we starting this tutorial, if you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe this channel for more latest video. So this is our project file. Now we can edit this. First we change the logo. Click logo holder. Now you import your logo. I already import my logo. Now we change our channel name. Double click your text icon. Or if you want to change your subscribe number, you just click text number 2 layer and go to effect control. Now you add your subscribe number. So guys, I hope all you enjoy this video. If you really enjoy this video, don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So see you soon. Have a great day.